Hi, this is Paulette Lavender, and when I got home from church today, Joy, my service dog, had a few surprises for me. So I came up with this invention, and I thought I'd share it with you. It's a repurposeful type of video, and it's kind of backwards because I only have myself to hold the camera. So this is the scooper. This is the collector, and I notched a hole in the handle to hold the, see that, clear down to the bottom, to hold this plastic in there. So that when you, if this is down and it's all like it's supposed to be, then when you scoop, of course, you just, oh yeah, making a great video here. You just scoop this like this and shove it in the bag, and then you throw the bag away. Anyway, I thought I would just share this with you. Thanks for watching my terrible video. Bye-bye.